Hello everyone, my name's Iman. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be starting a new playlist. Recently, I've had several students reach out asking which of my videos to use to prepare for the AP Chemistry exam. To help with this, I've created a dedicated playlist filled with videos that I have made that are relevant to the AP Chemistry course. And this video is going to serve as the introduction to this new playlist. Now, the AP Chemistry course, it focuses on several key units that I'm going to briefly summarize. It starts with atomic structure, where we're going to explore the composition of atoms, electron configuration, and periodic trends. These are fundamental concepts that set the stage for understanding chemical bonding and interactions. Building on this foundation, the course covers molecular and ionic compound structures, focusing on chemical bonds and molecular geometry, and then it transitions into intermolecular forces and properties. Next, the course dives into chemical reactions, where we're going to learn to balance equations, understand different reaction types, and master stoichiometry. This leads naturally into kinetics, where we're going to focus on reaction rates and mechanisms. And then we're going to follow that with our equilibrium section, which involves understanding dynamic equilibria and calculating equilibrium constants. Now, as the course progresses, we're also going to explore thermodynamics, applying concepts like enthalpy, entropy, and Gibbs free energy to predict reaction spontaneity. The course then moves into acids and bases, covering pH, titrations, and buffer systems. This is all essential for maintaining chemical stability in various environments. Finally, the course concludes with applications of thermodynamics, particularly electrochemistry. So here, we're going to explore the principles governing electrochemical cells and their potentials. Each of these units build upon the previous ones, and they provide a thorough and interconnected understanding of chemistry. Now, this playlist is structured to first provide lecture videos that cover these units thoroughly, and then towards the end of the playlist, I'm going to include mixed problem sets to help you apply what you've learned and prepare for the AP exam. I can also work through practice exams if this is something you guys would like to see. Now, it's also worth mentioning that AP Chemistry is designed to prepare you for university level general chemistry requirements. As such, you're going to find that many of the videos in this playlist overlap with those in my general chemistry playlist. Whether you're prepping for AP Chemistry or looking ahead to college, this playlist is going to be a valuable resource to help you learn chemistry. So thanks for watching this introduction video, and I hope that this playlist helps you on your journey to mastering AP Chemistry and scoring that perfect 5 on the exam. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Other than that, good luck, happy studying, and have a beautiful, beautiful day.